Hey everyone, I'm Selena. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. If you're hunting for a powerful, affordable blender to level up your smoothie game or crush ice like a pro, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's get blending. First, let's break down what makes the Ninja BL610 stand out. This beast rocks a 1,000-watt motor, which means it can pulverize ice, frozen fruit, and even tough veggies in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is massive, perfect for making smoothies for the whole family or prepping big batches of margaritas for a party. It's got Ninja's total crushing technology, with a 6-blade assembly that ensures everything blends silky smooth. Plus, it's got 3 speeds, a pulse function, and a sleek black design that looks sharp on any countertop. Oh, and cleanup, the pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so it's a breeze. Now, let's talk about pros. This blender is a powerhouse for the price. It performs like high-end models that cost twice as much, crushing ice into snow for slushies or blending creamy smoothies without chunks. The large capacity is awesome for families or meal prep. Users rave about how easy it is to pour from the spout without removing the lid, and the safety feature ensures the lid stays locked during blending. It's also super durable. Many reviews say it's still going strong after years of daily use. But no product's perfect, right? Here are a couple of cons. This blender is loud, like really loud. If you're blending early in the morning, it might wake the house. Some users also mentioned the plastic pitcher can crack if mishandled, and the warranty doesn't cover it, which is a bummer. Lastly, if you're making small single-serve smoothies, the big pitcher might feel a bit bulky. So, who's this blender for? If you want a versatile, high-performance blender for under $100, the Ninja BL610 is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for families, party hosts, or anyone who loves smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks. If you mostly make small portions or need something whisper quiet, you might want to look elsewhere. But for most people, the pros far outweigh the cons, and the value here is hard to beat. All right, here's the deal. If you're ready to blend like a pro, check out the Ninja BL610 on Amazon using the link in the description below. At Rick's Review Hub, we always hunt down the best pricing, and you might even catch some special promotional deals. Clicking our link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, so we can keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews on must-have kitchen gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy blending!